Right. I think that we have finally gone up live. So court is open and in session, and we've been in session. For some reason, I could not get on live, but I did not want to have the people waiting. So we started our proceedings. I am going to now, is Miss Drew, Miss Drew, are you in the courtroom or Miss Knight?
Yes, I am, Judge. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, good morning. Miss Drew, if you could start looking up those adjournment pays, that would be great.
Already started, Judge.
Oh, look at you. I appreciate you. All righty then. All right. Let's drop down to 10:30. And good morning, Officer Lot. Let me not forget about you and Miss Wilson. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Right. Let's go to 10:35. I have for Christian Carlson, 210-453-4201 for Mr. Carlson.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's my client. I'm going to ask if it's okay for him to do his Zoom hearing on October 14th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m.
All right. For Deja Ellis, Z806608. Wait, Miss Cleveland, all of these people should be coming back next week, right?
Oh, that's right. Well, yes, some of them are phase threes though.
Right, face to face, it should be scheduled the week, all of them should be scheduled the week before their actual hearing week.
Okay, so I'm so sorry. So what I'll do is the 9:30 for Mr. Carlson, 9 September 30th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m. And I just wanted to let you know, Your Honor, that this is a case that Mr. Daniel Shaw, I don't know if they put him on the record, but Mr. Graham is calling me. He might have heard from him, but I just wanted to bring that to your attention because that's who was ringing my phone just now. So,
Oh, okay. I'm gonna need you to make contact with him because
Okay.
I did a wellness check for Mr. Shaw on yesterday and I need to know. I know I got the message that they went out, no answer.
no answer.
And
Okay.
we're certainly concerned about him.
Yes.
But after Mr. Carlson, Ms. Drew, his return to court date would be September 30th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m. And then for Deja Ellis, Z806608, what would be her return to court date?
Your Honor, I'm sorry to ask, but she is a three-phase person. So she's in phase two. She's been with us quite a bit of time. So her next court date would normally be October 21st, 2022 via Zoom, if that's all right, or do you want her to come
No, I
in?
need to see her earlier.
Okay. So may we do the September 30th, 2022 for her as well?
That's wonderful. That works.
Thank
And that'll be at 8:45 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. For Christopher Gritzinger, U 620-04-221.
Yes, Your Honor. He is scheduled I've had him scheduled for September 30th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m.
Thank you. For Jose Guerrero, 210-443-1701.
Your Honor, I will change him to September 30th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m.
All right. For Javon Manning, Z808-0701.
Your Honor, will be September 30th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m.
Okay. For Nicole Setzer, U518-91219, U519-74119, U534-61419.
Your Honor, she's having a face-to-face today. She is in phase 4 of a 5-phase program. And I would just ask, would you want to still see her on 9/30, 2022, or can she go out a little further because she's doing very well? And
Yeah, she can go out to the next week.
okay, so that would be the 7th. That's not the available day for you. So
So it would be the 14th.
okay.
October 14th, 2022, and she would be at 8:45 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I have for Latasha Williams Taylor, Z808-0601.
Yes, Your Honor. I have her for September 30th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m.
Great. For Shay Weaver, 21H 888-54-SD.
Yes, Your Honor, I also have her for September 30th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m.
All right, very good. And then let's go to, there's a trial scheduled for 10:45 on today. Is that correct?
Yes,
Yes.
Judge.
Judge.
And so let's make sure that we get with Mr. Rosenthal and let him know 10:45, I'm ready to go. All right, wonderful. Ms. Cleveland, why
Yeah.
don't you check in with Mr. Graham? Mr. Shaw. Mr. Shaw should have been added to my docket for today. And
Yes.
so give me a case number for Mr. Shaw, Ms. Cleveland, if you have it.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm just going to check really, really quickly. And I hope everything is okay with him because he is not responding to my phone calls. Oh, man. Your Honor, it's not showing up on, I don't know what's happening.
We'll figure it out. Miss,
Okay.
we'll look up, it's Daniel, right? Daniel Shaw.
Daniel Shaw, and it's not showing up on my DCMIS, so I have to shut it down and reopen it to see if it'll show up that way.
That's okay. Go ahead and reach out to Mr. I want to call him Mr. Shepherd. That's not his name. Mr. Graham.
Graham, I'll be right back. I'm going to call him right now.
Wonderful. Ms. Drew, do we have some people that paid that I can close out now?
Let's see. Yes, we do, Judge. We have a couple people that did pay.
All right, let's start. You tell me the first person that paid.
Okay. Okay, the first person that paid is Adams Garland.
Okay, so I have Garland Adams, case number SP 125-40181. I am going to close his case. All right, who's next?
Okay. The next person that paid, Judge, is Brian Alexander.
Brian?
Mhm.
Yes. No, I don't,
I don't see him.
Alexander. I don't have a Brian Alexander.
Yes, he's right under Ahmed Alaka. This might be I don't know if y'all have an updated document.
Ms. Drew, can you send me the updated docket? Because I'm clearly
Yes,
operating
I
off the
will.
old one.
I do that right now, Judge.
Okay. And then for 8:30, Ms. Drew, I didn't miss anybody, did I?
Let me see. Only other person on 8:30 is Brittany Moore.
We called Brittany Moore. She has a return to court date October 7th, 2022 at 8:45 a.m. And then at 8:35, I had Cody Hannah. Did I miss anybody at 8:35?
Let's see. No, Judge, no, you didn't miss anyone at 8:35.
Okay, did they put Daniel Shaw on my docket for today, the revised docket?
Yes, he's on the docket for 10:35 a.m.
Okay, wonderful. All right, and so I called the 10:35s. Is that the only person I missed was Daniel Shaw?
Yes, yes, it is, Judge.
All right, wonderful. Send me the updated docket. I'm in good shape. I won't have the ability to print it out. That's why I've got to reconcile.
Okay.
I have you. All right, give me 1 second.
Okay. Attorney Reed and Attorney Clyde, do you both need an updated document as well?
That would be great.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. And I'll also send you a document for next week.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Ms. Drew.
Mhm.
We still have Mr. Danko in the courtroom, Mr. Fikens?
I see him there, yes. Or I see his name. I don't see him. But that was a good sign, Mr. Reed.
I still have the sign, but I had to change the phone number. Is that the correct phone number?
No, Mr. Reed, that looked like 2208. It should be 2280.
Oh, my 8 looks like oh, you can see me now, Judge?
I can see you now, sir.
I thought you still couldn't see me, Judge. My bad.
Killing me softly, but I can see you. All right, I have the updated docket now. So let's do it. All right, Ms. Drew, who do you have? Where did my thing? Who do you have up next for payment that has paid?
Okay, next judge I
Giving
have,
me a name, Ryan Alexander. All right, let me place those two numbers on the record. I have SX 4058219, and it looks like count one. He's paid it. So I'm going, is that correct, Ms. Drew?
yes, it is, Judge.
I will close count one, and I am dismissing without prejudice count two. All right, who do we have up next that's paid?
Okay, the next person that paid is Cody Allen.
Cody Alley. I have case,
Cody, yes.
I have case number SP 133-92511 for Cody Alley, and I am going to close that matter. All right, who else do we have up for pay?
Okay, Judge. The next person after Mr. Alley is Dana Anderson. Dana
All right.
Anderson is a little different. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cases. The
Mhm.
one that's scheduled for review still has ending in 651,
Mhm.
still have a balance of 165.
Okay, but
Um,
that's not the one she was supposed to pay. She was supposed to pay, it looks like the one she was supposed to pay should have been SP one, the ones that say adjourn to pay. Did she pay those?
Exactly. But when I checked the ones that say adjourn to pay, they were never given a fine.
So somebody put these in the system wrong. They were probably adjourned for
Yes.
dismissal, right, Mr. Reed and Mr. Fikens?
Yes,
Yes,
Judge.
Judge.
The
That's
other,
how I would, that's how I would read that.
okay, and so did she did not pay the one ending in 651?
No, Judge, that still has a balance of 165.
Okay, and then what about the case ending in, what about the case right under it? It's also ending in
Okay.
651, but it's SP 203-6651.
6651, that's the one that has the balance of 165.
Okay, what
The
about?
second count, the second count and the third count do not have a balance at all.
No, I'm not
I
talking
want
about
to say-
second, no, not second and third count. There's a ticket also, SP 122-54651. Is there a balance on that one?
$165.
Okay, and then there's a ticket SP 203-6651. Is there a balance on that one?
Repeat that one for me, Judge. I don't see that
S-
one. Six,
SP, it's on my, I'm looking at my old docket. Hold on, I'm sorry. I should be looking at my new docket. But it's on the new
It's on the
docket.
new.
as
It's
well.
on my docket also, Judge.
S,
It's on my
S-
docket.
yeah,
Both
SP
tickets.
203-6651.
that one has a balance of $165 also.
And she did not pay either one.
No.
Okay, I will have to recall her at 10:30. All right, very good. Thank you. Anybody else paid?
Okay, we also have no one else. The last person is James Ashley, and he did not pay.
Okay. All right. Well, there's also a Mr. Atkins on there and a Mr. A.U. Kana.
Okay, let's check. So Mr. Atkins did not pay. Mr. Atkins Brian, he did not pay either. He still has a balance of 220.
And then Mr. A.U. Kana.
Mr. A.U. Kana, the first one says it's set for review, but it doesn't have a fine on that one,
So that one should be a dismissal.
okay? And this count two has a balance of $120.
Okay, so I'll have to give them until 10:30. All right. All right, that's fine. Okay, well, we're in great shape. Miss Cleveland, did you hear any update on Daniel Shaw?
All right, I'll take my head down. Yeah, okay. So I did talk to Mr. Graham. Mr. Graham informs me that Mr. Shaw made contact with his case manager at Pop-Up on Wednesday. The thing is that Mr. Graham has been consistently sending him messages as well. He's not responding. I am sending him messages and calling him. We sent the police yesterday. He's not responding. His fear is that he might have fallen off, and some because this is behavior consistent with what that.
All right, I need to issue a warrant, Miss Cleveland. Please provide
Your
a
Honor.
warrant. Mr. Reed, Mr. Fikens, any objection?
No
No,
objection.
Judge, no objections.
Yeah, I need to put a warrant out for him. Make sure that we have all of his case numbers if he has more than one. And on that one, I need to do a remand because I need to make sure he's not picked up and released.
Yes, Your Honor.
And
Thank
then I
you.
need to make contact with Miss Walker so that we can get him. Okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right, very good. So make sure Miss Drew gets the number or Miss Drew looks him up. But yeah, I need to do that. All right. It
Do
looks
it right
like recess until 10:30.
Yes, Judge.
All right, everybody. I'll see you all at 10:30.
Thank
Yes,
you.
Ms. Drew, I'm going to email you that as well.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Ellis, can you hear me?
Yes.
You're scheduled for a face-to-face today. Call Miss Cleveland, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. What's your name? Lenoa Tab. What's your name, sir?
Brian Atkins.
I'm sorry, one more time.
Brian Atkins.
Brian Atkins. Okay, let me update your name. One second. Brian Atkins. Okay, I see you on my document. Okay, okay, just stay where you're at on mute until we see.
Sir, what's your name?
Dana Anderson.
I've been trying to get you to connect to audio for about an hour.
Yes, I was trying to now call the young lady. She told me just to zoom back on in and it might pop on because I didn't know how to work it.
Okay. You can put yourself on mute.
I didn't hear you.
You can put yourself on mute.
Okay. Did I do it?
Nope.
You. Oh, okay. I see it.
There you go.
Corporal Robbins? Good morning, Corporal Robbins.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you today?
Great, I was trying, just on the phone, trying to get your phone number to call you.
Oh, okay, because I looked up the case number that you're here on, and they were just set to pay, and they paid, so they don't have anything scheduled for today.
Oh, so I'm good, they paid the ticket, okay.
Yes,
All
indeed.
right, and this is the clerk?
Yes, it is. This is the Dion Drew. Yes, it is.
Oh, DeAndrew? Oh, okay,
Yes.
all right, thank you, so I can leave.
Yes,
Yes, you
Corporal
can.
Robbins. Have a good day.
All right, oh, how you doing, sir?
I'm good. Always good to hear your voice. How you doing?
Great, great, I can't complain.
All right, be safe out there.
All right, thank you.
Miss Wilson,
Okay.
can you put me in the breakout room with Mr. Anderson?
I'll probably have to do it, Attorney Reed. Let me see if I can make Miss Wilson. Let me see. Oh, yes, I can. There you go, Miss Wilson. Looks like I'm the host for now. I was able to give you co-host capabilities. But I can go ahead, let me see. Attorney Reed, you want to break out room with who?
Dana Anderson.
Okay, I'll go ahead and put you both in breakout room 2.
Mr. Anderson, accept the invitation. Go to the breakout room 2. I have it, Miss Drew. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Hey, Miss Drew, it's Rob Fikens.
Yes, Mr. Piper?
I heard that Mr. Reed is in a breakout room with someone. I believe there's a Brian Atkins here as well. Can I go into a breakout room with Mr. Atkins?
You sure can. I'll go ahead and place you both in the breakout room.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Atkins be looking for a prompt to join to join breakout room 3. And here we go. Okay.
Thank you. I have
So
the
she has
invitation.
a copy of it. Mhm.
Ms. Drew,
Yes, Attorney Reed.
I'm in a breakout room with Mr. Anderson. He's on the docket. He has 2 tickets that I believe we talked about this morning that are not paid. Could you tell me how much he owes on each one of those?
Okay, actually, is it okay if I run it? I'll go ahead and run down from it because he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And out of those 9, 1, 2, 3 has payments on them. So the 2 weeks, I think, so the first one we talked about ended in 651. And that was SP 203-6651. He owes a balance of $165 on there.
Okay, that's the one ending in 4651.
No, it's SP is 203-6651. That's the
Okay,
one right below it. Mhm.
6651. He owes 165.
So so SP 203-6651 is Stacy's owes 165.
Okay,
The one above it, SP one, I'm sorry, 122-54651. He had a balance of $200, but he paid that off. That is paid. And I didn't even see that.
okay, so that one's paid off.
Yes, it is.
So right now we're seeing he owes 165 on one
Right now,
ticket.
I see 165. He paid the count, the first one, that was 200. And then on the case ending in 672,
Okay,
he has, let me see, was he supposed to? Oh, this misses. Okay, well, this one has a balance of $120 on it.
672.
Yes, 672.
Are those the only 2 tickets that have money balances?
No, on the one ending in 4142, it has a balance of $95, but to me, well, no, I just noticed that is just a warrant cost and a reinstatement fee, okay? So no balance on 142. So there's a balance on U 436-28608 of $150.
On the U ticket, there's a balance of $160.
Yeah, $150 on the U ticket.
Okay, any more money?
Yes, so let's see. On the, no, that's it, because the last two has a warrant cost and a reinstatement fee. So no, that's it. Yeah.
Okay, so there's a balance on 3 tickets.
Yeah, we got the 165, we have 120 and $150.
Okay, thank you. I just wanted to let him know about what he had to do.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
You're back, Mr. Atkins. Good deal. You can put yourself on mute right now, sir,
Okay.
and we'll be ready to go.
You at the house?
If you're talking to me,
Yeah, you at the house?
I'm at my house, yeah.
Yeah, that's what they look like it. I thought you would be in the courtroom or something.
No. Yeah, they let me, I'm getting too old. They let me do this from my house.
Nah, you not getting too old. You still look like you 50 some.
A little bit older than that, but
Yeah, I know.
I'll take it.
It's a good compliment.
I won't press you to guess my age again, because I like that when you said 50 or something. That's good. I'll keep it.
Yeah, that's what's up. How long you been doing this prosecuting thing?
Well,
Like
I'm
a
not a
lawyer?
prosecutor. I'm a lawyer, a defense attorney, but let's see, 43 years, 42 years.
Okay, that's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
It's been a fun job.
I see. You been to the service? You an army vet?
I'm not. One of my kids is, but I'm not.
Yeah, my dad is.
Oh, nice. Great. What branch was he in?
He was in the army. I don't know what he did. He used to drive trucks for the general,
Sure.
but he was in the army though.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Well, is he still with us? Is he still alive?
Yes, sir, he is.
I'll tell him.
He about 83 years old.
Very good. Hold on just a sec. I got a chat from the court clerk.
All right.
Then, Ms. Drew, when you get a chance, could I go into a breakout room with Mr. Abdullah?
Mr. Fikes, can you go back to 3?
Yes, I can.
Okay, Mr. Abdullah, I sent you an invite. Mr. Alley, you have to take that cigarette out your mouth. Mr. Reed, Mr. Alley needs to go into a breakout room. I can't hear you. You're muted.
Oh, thank you. I wasn't muted. I'm talking to myself. Yeah, I can go back into a breakout room with him, whether I can go back into two.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you-
I'll send it. Yes, sir.
I can put myself back in two if you can put him in two.
Yes, I can.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Drew?
Yes, Mr. Feinberg, yeah, I just sent you a chat.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for that chat. And could you check also, I just talked to Mr. Abdullah,
Okay,
and it looks like, according to what I see on my computer, is that he paid.
he
And-
did, he paid in full, his case is closed.
And the other ones are dismissed. Is that correct? He had three
Let
other.
me- Yes. Let me see, do me one favor, Ms. Biden, let me get that case number you have.
The one he paid on is
Yes,
SP 129-42921.
okay. Just wanna run this to make sure that's everything. Oh, yes, everything, he's all set,
Okay.
he has no open cases.
So, Mr. Abdullah, you will get some paperwork in the mail, okay? We've confirmed with the clerk that you're in good shape. We appreciate you coming, taking care of your business. We really do. But I believe, sir, you are free to go. Is that correct, Ms. Drew?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. And Mr. Atkins?
Okay,
Thank you, Mr. Abdullah, for coming in.
thank you, guys.
Thank you. Mr. Atkins, Brian Atkins, could you unmute yourself, please?
Yes,
Mr. Atkins, the clerk helped us out, and the judge has given you until, let me check the date one more time, till November 3rd to pay.
oh, okay.
Okay, is that correct, Ms. Drew? Can you confirm that?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is, and there will be no additional time given.
Okay. And so she gave you a little extra time more than we asked for. The judge did, and we certainly do appreciate that. And we thank you for coming in, Mr. Atkins, and taking care of business. You know, you're getting the job done, and we appreciate that. So,
Okay.
but you know, if you pay it off earlier, come back so you can confirm that the matter was taken care of, so it's not hanging over your head anymore. Okay.
Okay, so when I pay it, I gotta come back to the same meeting room.
Well, you can, yeah, you come back to the same meeting room, or you can, you know, you can pay it in person down at the court, and we're in room 133, and you can come there to get your paperwork if you wish to do that.
So how would I be able to get a receipt if I pay it online?
I don't know how that works. I think they give you a receipt online. I think you have to print it up.
Yes,
But
they
Okay.
do.
I'm too old to be that technologically.
Decline.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Jack. Didn't even come up with the word. All right, Mr. Atkins, if you're all set, if you have the date written down, November 3, you're free to go,
Okay.
sir.
All right,
Unless
thank
you
you,
have any other
sir.
questions. Do you have any other questions?
No, I don't. So you say, after I pay the ticket, I have to come back and confirm that I paid it?
You don't
Or
have
just,
to, no, sir. If you
oh,
can
okay.
pay it online, and as long as you're satisfied that you paid the right thing and timely, you don't have to come back. Then you'll get
So I
paperwork.
gotta pay 220, right?
Yes, sir. 220.
All right, thank you.
You're more than welcome, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
Miss Drew,
Yes, Attorney Reed?
I'm talking to Mr. Cody Alley. I believe that his case was closed this morning. I just wanted to verify that with you. He said he paid it, and I thought that it went in front of the judge and she closed the case. Am I correct? Cody Alley.
Yes, you are correct. Yes, you are correct.
So he's free to go. He doesn't have to go in front of the judge, does he?
That's right. He's free to go. His case is closed.
All right, thank you. He's in the breakout
You're
room.
welcome.
Let him know. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Rosenthal.
Morning, Matt.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Attorney Fikens. Good morning, Ms. Drew. Morning, Attorney Reed.
So we have 1045 allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Officer Johnson is the officer on the ticket. I don't know anything about it. I don't think either me or Mr. Reed talked to this person before, so I don't know the circumstances. It appears to be just allowing unlicensed driver to drive. I didn't look it up yet. I'll look it up.
Miss Drew,
Yes,
Mr. Dana Anderson is in the courtroom. He's on the docket. He owes money, and I think it's approximately $440 in fines and costs. He paid some money, but he's asking for more time to pay. If you're in touch with the judge, would you let her know that Mr. Anderson has shown up? He did make a
okay.
$200 payment, but I think we talked about this, and he owes money on 3 tickets, and
Yes, we did.
he's gonna need some time to pay off the balance.
Okay, 1 second.
Mr. Dana Anderson, thank you.
Oh, Sorry about that, Attorney Fagans. So do we have the defendant?
No,
Here? No.
we have no one here.
Okay.
Scheduled for right now, 10:45.
I don't, with allowing unlicensed driver to drive, that being the only count, I'm not sure if we're gonna get the officer here or not, but we'll wait and see.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Okay. And then we'll just see who's here. I obviously don't know anything about the case, so I can't tell you about it without a client.
And then is this the only thing we have today?
That is correct.
Awesome.
That is correct, sir.
I'll take it.
Yes, I agree. So will I.
Yeah. We'll have some stuff in this afternoon, but it won't be here.
Well, if it's here, you're going to be doing it by yourself.
No, that is all right. Get some practice in. You know?
Exactly.
We had our first jury trial Monday, not me, but two people in the office.
Wow.
That was the first one for our section.
Wow. Yeah. Been a long time, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's been a couple of years.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's good. I mean, getting stuff in and then, trying to get some of this stuff resolved. I mean, gotta keep it moving.
Yep, we do. We do.
And that's what I was explaining to everyone. I think it was Wednesday. Because we're not doing sign fly, which is great. We're getting more people on that Wednesday afternoon because instead of getting a notice that's months out, you're getting two weeks notice to get right back here.
Oh, all right.
So it's getting more resolved than other courtrooms because the process is you come here, you don't want it resolved, then you have, notice that day that you got to show up 2 weeks. And so it's giving people more of a, kind of, I guess, a clear schedule on when they can show up for their cases to get resolved.
Very good.
Rather than, 6 months out from the arrest date to arraignment.
Yeah. Good.
Mm-hmm. And we've been resolving some cases. I mean, anything that's not too heavy, we've been able to resolve.
Very good, sir.
All right, everybody, are we ready to get started?
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's do it. Okay, good morning, Mr. Rosenthal. Let me have you place your appearance on the record.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the people, P84807.
All right, thank you, Mr. Rosenthal. All right, I am going to our 10:30 docket. I am ready to proceed. Grab one thing. All right, I am ready on Michelle Adolphus. I have case number SP 125-8870, counts 1 and 2. It has been brought to my attention that she did not make the payment on count 2. Therefore, I am going to reinstate the original charge, Ms. Drew. The bond will be set at the amount owed on the ticket at $220 cash or surety. And then on count 1, CAPIS will issue and the bond will be a personal bond. I'm going now to Ahmed Alaga. I have case number SP 135-4217, counts 1 and 3. And for Mr. Alaga, he has made his payment and these two matters are scheduled for dismissal. Therefore, I am dismissing without prejudice. I have we did Brian Alexander, is that correct?
Yes, Judge.
Yes, we did. We paid in full.
You did both. Okay, very good. Thank you. I have for Deja Allen, case numbers SP 126-8540, counts 1 and 2. I also have case number SP 125-02352, case number SP 127-9375, counts 1 and 2. And so for Jada, I went too far. I need to just do Daisha Allen, and that is SP 126-8540, counts 1 and 2. Miss Daisha Allen did not pay as to count 1. Therefore, that charge is going to be reinstated and the bond will be set for the amount that she swore she would pay in her fines and costs, $220 cash or surety. And then count 2 will be capious with the personal bond. Now I'm going to Jada Allen. Miss Drew, did you look up Jada Allen separately?
Yes, I did separately, and Jada has a balance of 220 on count 2.
On SP
On
1279, I'm sorry.
On SP 125-02352.
And what's that balance again?
$220.
All right, thank you. And so for Jada Allen, I have the following: SP 125-0235, counts 1 and 2. She has failed to pay pursuant to her plea. And so capious will issue. And on count 2, the bond, that charge will be reinstated. If it was reduced, it's going to be reinstated to the original charge. The bond will be $220 cash or surety. And then as to count 1, it will be a capious with a personal bond. And then for case number SP 127-93752, it will be capious with a personal bond. I'm now going to go to Dana Anderson. And so is Mr. Anderson on with us this morning?
Yes, he is, Judge.
All right.
Mr. Anderson was the gentleman, Danco, at 9:30 or 9 o'clock that we had trouble communicating with. His
All
name
right.
was Dan.
So Mr. Reed, let me have Mr. Anderson, if he could place his name on the record for me. Mr. Anderson, state your name.
Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Thank you.
Dana Sean Anderson.
All right, thank you. This is what I'm going to do. It's my understanding your client is asking for additional time to pay. Is that correct, Mr. Reed? He's paid 1 in full?
That's correct, Your Honor. He has paid 1 in full, but there's still money owing, and he is asking for additional time.
All right, this is what I'm going to do, Mr. Reed. For SP 122-54651, That is the matter that has been paid in full. I'm going to close that case. For SP 203-6651, your client still has a balance of $165. I'm going to adjourn that matter for payment. The new payment day will be November 3rd, 2022. I'm scheduling it at 10:30 a.m. Get it paid before November 3rd. For case number SP 122-5465, counts 2 and 3, I am going to schedule those for review on November 3rd, 2022 at 10:30 a.m. Also, case number SP 122-54671, I'm going to schedule that for review again on November 3rd, 2022 at 10:30 a.m. For case number SP 122-54672, your client still owes $120. I will adjourn that for payment on November 3rd, 2022. That will also be at 10:30 a.m. And then for case number SP 399-4142, I'm going to schedule that one for review on November 3rd, 2022 at 10:30 a.m. For case number U436-28608, your client still owes a balance of $150. I'm going to adjourn that one for payment to November 3rd, 2022, and that will be at 10:30 a.m. For case number 145690951 and case number SP 399-4141, I will adjourn those for review. And that review will be on November 3rd, 2022 at 10:30 a.m. As to case number 145690951, I am waiving the warrant cost on that particular case. And so that's the best I can do for your client today. Mr.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. All right, Mr. Anderson, you got to get that money together, okay, for November 3rd.
Yes, ma'am. I sure will have that done.
All right, very good. Did I give you enough time, Mr. Anderson?
Yes, ma'am, you did.
Okay, all right, very good, because I won't be able to grant any more extensions, okay?
Oh, it'll be done by November 3rd.
Awesome. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, very good. Have a good day. You're free to leave.
All right, thank you.
You're very welcome. I have for James Ashley, case number U471-86118 and U447-02818. For Mr. Ashley did not pay the matter ending in 2818. Therefore, the capias will issue. The bond will be set at $220, cash or surety. And then for the remaining matter ending in 6118, that will be a capias with a personal bond. I have we've already done Brian Atkins. And so I have for Mr. Hold on, I'm missing somebody. I did not do, Ms. Drew, I'm sorry. Did I do Mr. Almadrahi?
Let's see.
I don't think I did. I know, they're dismissed, but I need to put them on the record. Let me put those on the record.
Okay.
I have SP 1305052, counts 1 and 2. I also have SP 1304252, counts 2 and 3. Mr. Almadri paid the other matters, and therefore these 4 cases will be dismissed. I also have a new role, Amen, case number SP 1290729, counts 1, 2, and 3, as well as case number SP 1290721. Mr. Amen paid his cases, his fines and costs, so all of those matters will be dismissed without prejudice. The last person that I need to call is for Mr. Ayub Khanna, and those are case numbers SP 135-52321, SP 135-52142, and he has paid, and so both of those matters are being dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Drew, did I miss anyone?
No, Judge, you did not miss anyone.
All right, Mr. Reed, Mr. Fikens, are you all satisfied?
We are satisfied, Judge. we
Yes,
covered it.
Judge, thank you.
Very good. I have a trial matter that was scheduled for 10:45. It is now 11:08. I am ready to call that case for Sandra Asbell, SP 127-12651. Has Ms. Asbell made an appearance?
No, Your Honor, she is
No,
not.
Judge.
Okay, she's not checked in with the clerk.
No, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Rosenthal, your motion.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Rosenthal for the people. As of now, today is the date and time of trial. We don't have a defendant and we're asking that you issue a capias in this matter, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Reed. Mr. Fikens, any objection?
No, Judge,
No
I do.
objections. I see the Officer Johnson is here today, so I would just say hello to Officer Robert Johnson. Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Attorney Reed.
All right, Officer Johnson, if you could turn on your camera, please, and place your name and your badge number on the record.
Well, I'm in an inappropriate place to turn the camera on, but I can put my name on the record, ma'am, if you don't mind.
Now, what you mean you in an inappropriate place? Are you just coming to court? How inappropriate are you? Can you fix that
Well-
camera so I can just see your face?
Oh, yes, ma'am, I'll do that. Hold
Oh,
on.
well, let me just, I don't want to see nothing inappropriate now.
Oh, it's good. That's why
Okay.
okay.
Pass out, and then I'm gonna be off.
Can you
from
see
work
me?
for like 10 months. All right, there you go. State your
Yes.
name and your badge number, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to you. Sorry about this. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department.
All right, thank you so much. Mr. Rosenthal, I am granting your motion. Capias will issue. This matter was scheduled for trial. Ms. Asbell was given plenty of notice. She appeared in court, was given the date and the time weeks in advance. Capias will issue. The bond is set at $100 cash or surety. Is there anything else that I'm missing on the docket this morning?
No, Your Honor.
No, Judge.
Right, we are in great shape. Thank you all. We are in really great shape. We made it despite the internet connection issues yesterday and today. We have done very, very, very well. And so we will be on standby as to our specialty court cases. We got a couple of little fires brewing. So we may have to come back on. You will get notice if you need to come back on, okay?
Yes,
Thank
Judge.
you,
Thank
Judge.
you.
Thank
All
you.
right, right
Have a
now,
good
it doesn't
weekend,
look like anybody's in danger of going to jail. We just got a couple of little fires brewing.
Have a good weekend, Your Honor.
All right, you
Thank
do
you.
the same. Thank you and be safe, officer.
You say,
Yes,
Officer
ma'am. Thank
Johnson.
Yeah, Officer
Yes, sir. You
Johnson.
too.
See ya.
All right, everybody. Ms. Drew, thank you for serving today. You all know how to contact me should you need anything or if there are any questions or anything comes up, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you all. Thank you, Ms. Wilson.
Have a good weekend.
All
Thank you,
right.
Judge. Thank
Welcome,
you,
thank
Ms.
you.
Drew. Are we gonna get the docket for next week?
Sure is. I'm gonna print them out right now, send them right on over.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have a good weekend and be safe.
Welcome.
Have a good
Thank
weekend.
you.